So you might be in a weird situation where for some reason your Instagram Reels are just not working. Now what does this mean? Well, Instagram is a very popular application, and the Reels option is another very popular thing that a lot of people use. So if you're trying to figure out why these particular things, I don't know why I keep getting these videos, but if you're trying to figure out why your particular Reels are not working, the very first thing I recommend doing is double checking your internet connection. So if your Wi-Fi connection or internet connection is bad or if it's faulty, then that can probably be a problem. You may also just want to make your way over to your main page of your particular thing, and you may just want to go and see if it's loading. If things are just troubling to load and if there's issues there, then that might be a reason why you're having issues because your internet connection is bad. So connect to a better signal, and that could end up fixing the problem for a lot of people. Now, if that doesn't end up working, the next thing you may want to try doing for the most part is trying to go through and seeing if you can update your Instagram application. So make your way over to your app store, just like so. You then want to go and click on the search bar, and all you want to do is just go and search up for Instagram. So click on Instagram right over here, and what you're going to want to do here is you want to go and tap on Instagram, and you want to click update if there is an update option. If there's no update option, what you want to do is just simply close out of Instagram, and then just go and go back into it, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it too. Now if Instagram Reels is still not working, another thing you may have to try doing for the most part is trying to see if Instagram is down. So what you can do is you can make your way over to a website like downdetector.com or isitdownrightnow.com, one of these types of websites which shows you what's up and what's down. And what you're basically going to want to do here is just see if Instagram is up or if it's down. So that's basically all you're really going to have to do. If it's still not showing and if it's still not working, you may just want to go and wait it out until Instagram fixes the problem, or you may want to try logging into a different Instagram account and see if you're having the same issues there, but typically it's usually because of some network connection problem or an Instagram app problem. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.